the value proposition, the business case with regards to the license and maintenance and the ongoing OPEX savings, and in all other services with regards to the quicker resolution time, flexible upgrades, support of customizations. It's a huge benefit.
Having a well-running system has freed up time and resources to focus on other areas. And where we've saved money in our ERP, we've put towards other initiatives in the value chain that are really close to our core line of business and at the coalface, so to speak.
In terms of the savings, yes, they've been significant.
Obviously, that always attracts the attention of our senior management.
That Rimini model has allowed us to divert those resources, divert those fundings in areas that are going to really leverage more value for our business.
So we can free up some funds and we can actually divert those funds towards some key strategic business initiatives.
I think this is just the order of the day now, right? We really need to look at where we're spending costs, take a longer lens to things. Where do your business capability roadmaps look like? What does the application stack under that look like? And where you have time to pause and then reposition investment, I think that's just, I think we'll see more of that going forward.
My favourite bit really is I think I have a very good relationship with my support engineer. I like this type of service. It's very personal in nature. Someone I can call at almost any hour of the day. I know his nuances, he knows mine, and our expectations are mutually understood. And I think that's why we're able to solve our issues faster than what we had done in the past.
And generally, like Adrian mentions, we get really good top-notch support from our support partners at Rimini Street in terms of giving us, proactive advice, recommendations on what to apply, when to apply it, how to go about it, how much testing is required, all those sorts of fundamentals.
I think the relationship is there. It's working very well from a service point of view. Commercially, it's working very well. So yeah, very happy with it.
We are seeing value in there, absolutely. Our businesses are really happy, our stakeholders are really happy with regards to your on-time performance of providing the resolutions to our customers.
There's a wealth there that people aren't taking advantage of, and I think it's about opening their eyes to it and doing it at the appropriate budget and responsiveness that suits your organisation. And I think Rimini's helped us do that.
In terms of final tips and those sorts of things, I'd definitely say explore it. There is significant value to be had, not only commercially but with future opportunities down the line.